Hello everyone, and welcome to SmartThink. Today, we're going over 9 psychological tricks to get people to like you. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Copying the person that you're with. This is actually a strategy called mirroring. When you are hanging out and talking with someone, try to copy their body language and facial expressions. If the person takes a drink of their drink, you take a drink of your drink. If the person is leaning back in their chair, then you lean back in your chair. You get the idea. You can also mirror someone by repeating the last few words in the sentence back to them in an almost question kind of tone. This will make the person feel encouraged to keep talking and going deeper into the story they're telling. By the end of it, they'll think of you as a person who makes great conversation when actually they did most of the talking. Number 2. Give genuine compliments. When giving someone a compliment, it's important to give one that you actually feel. Be authentic and specific with the compliment. For example, telling a friend you love how cute her house is could come off as cheap and empty. But if you get specific and say how you love how well the painted walls match all of the furniture, could make it feel more meaningful. Number 3. Be positive and smile. Everyone knows when you smile at someone, it almost always causes them to smile directly back at you. People can actually feel the energy you're giving off, whether it's positive emotions or negative emotions. So be conscious about the energy you're putting on display. Not many people want to spend a lot of time listening to someone who is always complaining and giving off those negative vibes. But if you focus on trying to have a positive attitude, it will almost certainly cause the people around you to feel more positive around you, which will most likely make them want to spend more time with you. Number 4. Be friendly and kind. Sometimes it might seem like we should keep our guard up when we go out in the world, so we don't seem too vulnerable. But the truth is, most people tend to be drawn towards friendliness. This is because friendly people come off as approachable and trustworthy. If you keep a facial expression that says, "Nobody talk to me," it's very likely that not many people will. Always remember, kindness attracts kindness. Number 5. Have a good sense of humor. There are multiple studies that show having a good sense of humor can improve your overall health and make you more attractive. Being funny and enjoying a good laugh with someone will basically automatically increase the bond between you and that person. Don't worry too much if you think your sense of humor isn't that great. Anyone can gain a better sense of humor through learning a little more about comedy, and just by watching comedy in general, your sense of humor will most likely get much better. Number 6. Casually touch their arm or shoulder. This is a little subliminal trick that, when done the right way, can make a person feel more warmly towards you. Though you should be careful and maybe practice on your closer friends at first. It should be done in a way that the other person barely even notices it, and not in a way that makes someone feel uncomfortable. Number 7. Tell them a secret about yourself. This is known as self-disclosure and may be one of the best relationship building techniques out there. When you share secret information with someone about yourself, they'll feel closer to you and feel like you're a trustworthy person. A lot of times, they'll even share one of their secrets about themselves with you. Showing that you can keep each other's secrets will show loyalty, dependability, and honesty, which are key components for likability and relationships. Number 8. Saying someone's name. The sweetest sound a person could hear in the whole world is when we hear our own name. Repeating someone's name a couple of times in the conversation is a quick and easy way to get them to like you. Try using phrases like, "So Justin, What have you been up to lately? Or, I'm happy we got to meet each other, Gabrielle. When used in the correct way, it can make someone feel like you're really interested in their life. Number 9, be confident. Being confident will defiantly attract more people towards you. We've all met people that have an unshakable confidence, and it draws us towards wanting to be more like them. The best way to become more confident is to master a skill or go do things that make you feel great about yourself. Focusing and working towards goals will also make you more confident. It can be things like taking classes to get better at something you're interested in, or simply going to the gym and sticking to a routine. Confidence can be built by doing the things you think you should be doing to better your life and staying away from the things that are going to hold you back. Now that you know these 9 psychological tricks to get people to like you, go out and try them for yourself. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so we can keep making videos like this. That's all for now, and we'll see you in the next video.